Welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, which is specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by looking around. Let me tell you how I got my unique thought just by monitoring my day-to-day surroundings. Excuse me, my nose is not working today, or is not with me. Okay, moving that to the side. My unique thought was that this year I started a program called Odyssey of the Mind where other teams compete against other teams. And first it was regionals. Luckily my team won in that, so we were in the States. And in the States it was 2.5 hours away from my house. So look at me, because that was a long drive. And when I got there, I found out so many people came in their own cars with such free space in there that people could fit in. So I thought, how much pollution would this create? Can't we just go and share cars so that we wouldn't create that much pollution? So I asked my dad, and he said some people are comfortable going in other people's cars. But he also said some people could get more educated. So that got me thinking, well, what about if Odyssey of the Mind could just send these little reminders that please consider sharing your car so that we wouldn't create that much pollution? And maybe they would consider that. So if I can get my unique thought out of my day-to-day surroundings, I'm sure you can too. In Odyssey of the Mind, remember, when you're calling participants to go to your show, well, make sure to send out those little reminders and maybe people will listen to you. Hopefully that works. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.